The standards that you have to align for the course are going to be on your left-hand side. So if you come up to the little arrow here that says expand, just click on it and your standards will appear. They're going to be separated by units, so they're going to be Unit 1, Unit 2, and if you scroll up, there's Unit 3. So to drag over the standard that you did for the day, you just click and hold on the standard, drag it over to the session folder, and that's going to change your little dot here from red to green. It's also going to show you how many gradable and non-gradable you have in your session folder. So for this folder, I have my 2 gradables, which are my participation and my homework, and my 2 non-gradables, which are going to be my homework resources that I added and my YouTube video link. To get rid of a standard that you've accidentally dragged over, simply just go to the X that's right here on the standard and click it, and it'll get rid of it.